So it's week 11, and I've begun going into my studio stuff, and I have so many things here that I don't really use anymore, but I may, and so I can't throw them out. You can see here, all of this is printmaking stuff, including lithography, etching, um, and also relief material to make prints. And then I'm separating all of these different types of tools, pastels, oil pastels, watercolor pencils, pencil color pencils, markers, other kinds of pencils, acrylics, um, linoleum to cut here. There's acrylics, more acrylics, you can see, and then lots of knives and whatnot that are used in lots of different methods of making printmaking. Sumi ink, stone and the ink itself, you grind it down and you use that with for black ink, sumi ink. There's watercolors here. Underneath there's oils. Down here I haven't gotten there. Ink pigments, all kinds of things. I use gesso and different kind of modeling tools for texture in my paintings. I have a huge pile here of rags. I'm going to go through them. Some of them are painting clothes. But the thing that I want to share is that the last series, I think, of serious art that I did was right after 9/11. So I collected all these. These became part of my paintings. Some of them were torn up, but after 9/11, I have all these magazines. If anybody remembers, this was the New Yorker, where they didn't actually, for the first time, use an illustration, but rather it's just it's a black on black image of the World Trade Center. And all of these things are like the beginning of, let me get a picture here, the beginning of us going into war, which we still are in some ways. So all of these things are part of that era. And you can see that. As a designer, went to AIGA, and the art director of the New York Times talked about this period and how they changed the New New York Times to start this series, A Nation Challenged. And that's what they did during 9/11. Week in review, they just show the shadow gray area of what the trade would be. Now, I have some strong feelings about the pandemic, and I think the work I'm going to do is going to relate to that. And so it's just a reminder how life just goes in these circles, and we are challenged in different ways at different times in our lives. And this is a different type of challenge. And every challenge makes us stronger as a people, as individuals. And I'm going to keep these things in a safe place just to, oh, there goes my pack rat again. But basically, these are important to my art and the history of my art. They are pieces of these papers are in the paintings that I did. The little pieces will show up in the paintings, and the paintings are about the words that I heard from different people about, because I used to live there, so it was all the people that I knew and what they said. So these different phrases that they said became the topic of the paintings and the drawings. Bye for now. Wasn't meant to bring everybody down, but it just shows us that we can be strong. Bye.